101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back here, BPEC.
Wow.
I can breezy.
Okay, good. Okay, we have a new friends here, Adele. Miss Adele, hi Adele.
Hi.
How are you this evening?
I'm so pretty good today.
You have a sweat.
Yes, because I'm from far away until in here. Yes.
Oh, far away.
Yeah, I'm so busy today.
Okay, did you know our topic tonight?
Yes, a little bit here.
Okay, what is?
Public speaking, about important public speaking.
Yes, the importance of public speaking.
I got it now.
Actually, in our era now, the 4.0 and so on, 5.0, 6.0 and so on, one of skill that we must be mastering is a public speaking, because this is very essential to make it forward our life as an individual or society in our country and all of the world even. So, how needs?
Okay.
In your opinion, how needs as a personal, how needs you learn public
personal
speaking?
For me?
Yes.
Okay. Public speaking is really important for me because every day we communicate with persons, so we have to practice every day about public speaking. Yes, I think we really need public speaking in millennial era, and also not only we speaking like directly like this, but also in social medias, also public speaking. Yes,
this is interesting.
Yeah, so interesting today. We have to increase skill and about public speaking, because communicate with person and to have understand one by one is really important for me. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. My second question is a must we call public speaking to stand in front of public. That's normally public speaking.
Sorry.
How looks like actually public speaking on your mind? How looks like actually? I mean, it's is absolutely need we standing in front of public, and we call that public speaking or not, or how?
Yes, because the name of public speaking. So yes, you have to fast with many people because public speaking. Yes, I underline that public. So you have to get information to communicate with so many people like this. Yes, this is also public speaking.
This is
yes.
Oh, good, nice. You're very smart.
Yes.
Like a Smartfm.
Yes. Yeah.
So, like it's rather I like almost absolutely that we have to interact with the many peoples. That's why we call that is a public speaking.
Yes.
Like this, we have a like pidato, something like that, standing in front of presentation. Speech.
Also.
You mean?
Yes.
Yeah. So, do you have a experience? About public speaking?
Experience about public speaking? Yes. I got a many experience about public speaking. Especially when I senior high school, I got some organization like how to say ketua dalam sebuah organisasi. Yes. I'm kind of leader, so if I want to orientation new member to new yes, you can mention that like new member or my junior. So I got like insight if you want to come this organization. Yeah. And also in my university also, I host in my university host podcast in my university.
I want to clap hand for you guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Podcast on your campus, right? Wow.
Yes, my university have podcast. So yes, I'm be like an host and also narasumber also.
This is because BPEC is smart event.
Because
you have basic here, right?
Yes,
you have a basic, and after that you come to your university and see now you are the podcaster there. They how to say, they put you, they take you to be host on podcaster. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, keep your statement, and I want to move to you. Do you have a experience about public speaking, and when?
When I was public speaking in BPC.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
when I was the first time come to BPC, and I'm the one is the first one is
Mhm.
I want to introduce myself, but
Mhm.
I get nervous at the time.
Ah, okay. That's the first.
Yes.
Really? That's the first time.
Uh,
Did you go on your university or senior high school or somewhere?
The first time is in my university when there is a how to say presentation.
Which one is the come first? BPEC or
My university.
University
Yes.
come first.
Yeah.
You join first in university, then BPEC.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's
Actually, my lecture
Mhm.
invite me to come in BPC. So
okay.
I joined that club, and I enjoyed the meeting,
Mhm.
and until right now I stand I
Mm.
stand in BPC.
Okay, nice. We will continue.
Yes.
Okay, back to you again, Adele. This is my fourth question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Back with me again.
Okay, how do you learn public speaking? I mean, your style, the way in your
Okay.
own style to learning to make a progress in your public speaking. How the way your style?
Okay, first about public speaking, you have to be confident. This is
Oh,
first
wow,
thing
absolutely.
for me. If you're a shy cat, you cannot. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, communicator can run well if you're shy. So yes, confident first.
Mhm.
Actually, I'm introvert person. I shy person.
see. Yeah.
But if I always like this, I cannot improve myself. I'm not grow up. So yeah, I have to grow up myself. I have to learn how to be confident person, because this
Yeah.
is really important when you want to be like public speaking, because and also you have to practice every day with people, with many people. Yes, this is why I learned about public speaking.
Do you have a specific way?
Specific way.
I mean, in English, how do we call it in English? Sengaja, something like that, to do public speaking.
Okay. When I was child, I remember that I'm always learn about. I really like watching someone like dubbing or dubber. Yes, I really like so many cartoon or anime. I really hear some voice. I'm interested.
Yeah, we
And
call also that
Yes.
voice over.
Yes, voice over or
Yes.
voice acting.
Yes.
Yeah. When I was child, I was practice every day. I think this is look interesting and so funny. How about if I practice like this?
Oh.
Yes. So interesting for me. And since junior high school, I learned about voice acting. I just watching in TV and I'm interesting and I am try it. Yes.
That's good. Wow. We will continue. Okay, what about you? Do you have a specific way, or how your style to learn or practice about public speaking?
Can you repeat your question?
Your own style. I mean, how the way you learn
okay.
public speaking.
Okay, my way how to public speaking in front all many people. This is I improve myself with tourism.
Pardon?
I improve my English in my pronunciation in my
I'm waiting.
myself
By
with no by but with tourism.
tourism.
Yeah, tourism like bule. Yeah, I
Okay.
improve.
Boleh masuk kampung.
Yeah, I tell the information to be like a guide maybe,
Okay.
and tell what story from the Sulawesi.
Actually,
Selatan.
you are
That's why.
also bullet when you visit to another country. You are also
Yeah.
bullet. Yeah.
They don't call it bule.
We call it this like.
But bule in Indonesia bahasa tourist, right? Tourist is bule. So tourist masuk kampung, something like that. Continue, Steven. Do you have still any idea about it?
And don't forget to join BPEC to improve your
Okay.
speaking.
Back to laptop. Back to BPEC.
Yeah.
You must be joined, guys. BPEC. We
Because
guarantee, right?
No, I think
Guarantee.
BPEC is not guarantee, but that's the best place to improve your informal speaking.
Okay. Thank you. Give it a applause for BPEC. Okay. What about you, Mr.
Okay.
Brian? Your own style. How the way you learn public speaking?
The important thing is just be confident, don't be nervous, and
Not shy cat.
yeah, and keep learning to improve your skill, and don't forget to pray before you speak.
Do you have a habit that when you want to improve your public speaking, you do like how to say in English, sengaja to stand in front of public to train your tongue, your confidence for public speaking? Do you
What-
have a habit, sengaja, something like that?
No.
No, it's
Yes.
just natural.
It's natural.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I just learn like public speaking for the people point me to stand in front of the people.
You
so
wait the moment. You
yeah.
wait the moment.
Yeah,
right?
I wait the moment.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
What about you, Miss Mala? Your own style to learn public speaking?
Yeah. Like I told you before,
Mhm.
the way I learn is the first is I watch on TV and some of videos on TikTok, and the first one I look at the way they express their body language, even though it's in formal situation or formal situation, the most important is our body language and self-esteem. The third one is our knowledge. Our knowledge.
Okay.
And
Knowledge is very important,
yeah, it's
right?
very important.
Uh-huh.
I watch some of. They will look like a very smart person when they are talking. Even though when somebody's joking, they look smart. Yeah, from the way they bring the jokes or break the ice. Yeah.
Okay, break the ice. You selling ice? No, okay,
What,
joking.
my ice?
Tak, es batu. Can I buy? No. Okay, this is a very interesting topic, but we will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere, smart listener and smart viewers at home. Still with BPEC 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia, Smart FM.